within 15 minutes, we have reached from Chandrabhaga beach to Konark. Bus is standing here right now, and we'll walk towards Konark Sun Temple now. Walking towards Konark Sun Temple right now. There are plenty of shops to shop from, but don't get tempted by it. Keep your focus on Konark because you'll also get time to shop when you're coming back. It's morning right now, 8:20 a.m. and it's winter, it's November, so the weather is pretty cool. If you're coming in the summer, it's gonna be a hassle because it's too hot in Orissa. Finally reached Konark Sun Temple. I can see it within just 50 meters. There's an interesting fact about Konark Sun Temple. It's an Apavitra Mandir, which means you cannot worship any god here. There's no god is worshipped here, and it is just a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can only appreciate the beauty of this place, the Karigari, and the enriched history of building this beautiful structure, Indian archaeological structure, which took almost 12 years to build by 12,000 artisans and architects to build this beautiful Konark Sun Temple. So right now I am in front of Konark Sun Temple, built in 13th century by Raja Narasimha Deva. This is one of most prominent architectural structures in India, visited by lakhs of tourists every year. This Konark temple is dedicated to Lord Sun God, and this is built in a form of a chariot. So there are wheels on both sides of this structure, and it looks like a chariot. You can climb up to this place only, because after this it's prohibited to go beyond. The wheels of this chariot, that monument that look like a chariot, it has 12 wheels, and which represent the 12 months of a year, and the wheels are pulled by 7 horses, which represent the 7 days of a week. Between every wheels there are curvatures of idols and some story in each sundial. that this wheel is actually a sundial. Sun rays falls in it and you can actually calculate the timing from this wheels which acts as a sundial. Incredible, incredible. The scientific and spiritual and also archaeological importance to this beautiful monuments. All the structures that are carved in this temple represents some of the mythological gods and goddesses or beings of ancient time. There are structures of idols which represents a few the dance form of the Odissi dance form. So a lot of Odissi dance forms and body movements have been taken from this curved structures in the walls of this monument. Renu, Rena, Rena. Renu, Renu. There's a very painful history to this place, and that is the king who made this structure, given the artisans a timeline of 12 years. 12,000 artisans were given the timeline for 12 years, and if they cannot complete it, they will be given life-death sentence. So the main architect of this structure, he took it on himself, and on the completion of the last day, he suicided from the top of this monument. So indeed, every archaeological monuments have a very painful history of people who have carved it with their sweat and blood. Almost completed the parikrama, walking towards the exit, but before that you can see a beautiful Nat Mandir just behind me. That are full of tourists right now. At any point of the year you will find tourists here, full of curious people of all backgrounds throughout India and from foreign as well, because indeed this is a beautiful structure and people all over the world want to come and experience this beautiful structure in Puri, Orissa, the land of Lord Jagannath. Entrance is from the different side and exit is different side. There's an empty Nat Mandir this side, and then you walk through this beautiful well-maintained garden which has iron beams lying down, long and big lying down iron beams. Maybe these are used for this building, and keeping this garden on my right side and left side. I'm walking towards the exit of Konark Sun Temple. So that was Konark Sun Temple, and me, Bithika, signing off from this video. Do let me know in the comment section how was your experience watching this video. If you're a stranger watching this video, do subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like this video and share this video with people you feel like who are history buffs, who are planning a trip to Puri. They are surely gonna get a lot of helpful information from this video. Signing off, me, Bithika. Bye bye.